dancing in the morning light in the corner. A legend sleeps, a classic Ford Mustang Fastback once powerful, now wounded. Rust scars its body, paint peels away, like memories fading with time. Yet, even in decay, its soul remains. A hand wipes away decades of dust. 4 letters emerge, Ford, and just like that, the journey begins. The Mustang is rolled into daylight for the first time in years. Water crashes against steel, washing away dirt, grease, and regret. Mud pours from its wounds. Foam blankets the body, revealing the truth beneath damage. But also potential. Every inch is scrubbed, every line rediscovered. The shape that once ruled the road slowly returns. Then comes the hard part. The car is stripped down to its bones, bumpers, doors, hood, gone. An angle grinder screams as rusted metal is cut away. Sparks fly, old steel falls, and in its place, new life is welded in fresh panels, strong seams, a body rebuilt not to forget the past, but to rise above it inside. Play. But to rise above it inside. The story continues. A cracked dashboard is reborn. Gauge
Some flashlight.
Gauges restored. Needles calibrated. Light returns to places long dark. Seats are torn down and rebuilt from the frame. Up. Stronger. Bolder. Ready. Once more for the road. Road. Wires once brittle and broken are replaced with order and purpose. Electricity flows again. Lights glow. The Mustang breathes. The heart, the V8, is lifted, free, disassembled, piece by piece, pistons, cleaned, crankshaft, polished, every component renewed with precision and respect. Engine returns home perfectly, aligned, whole, again.
All right, let's get this gear on. There we go, all finished.
Component renewed with precision and respect. Engine returns home perfectly, aligned. Is restored, solid, clean, ready. And finally, color, layer by layer. Deep metallic red flows across the body. The long boom gleams. The fastback roofline melts into the rear like sculpture in motion. Clear coat seals the transformation. Polishing reveals a mirror finish. Chrome returns to it. Mirror finish. Chrome returns to its rightful place. Triple taillights glow red against maroon steel. A badge is placed. The engine roars. Deep, thunderous, alive. The Mustang rolls forward, its own power no longer forgotten, no longer broken. Camera circles, a reborn legend. Long hood, rear deck, a reflection of sky and history. This is not just a car. This is resurrection. This is craftsmanship. This is a legend.